Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump to this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. We've talked previously about this idea where we could get this falling wedge forming. Okay, the basis of this happening would be Bitcoin putting in this next high would be a lower high. So if Bitcoin doesn't break above this high right here and puts in a lower high, the possibility of a move back down this direction is quite possible. Okay, so still some potential upside, but again, if the bulls can't break out here, then you assume you get a move back down here, similar to this exact situation right here. Ran up here, lower high, and then you got to move actually lower than the previous low, right? And so that formed this falling wedge. So if that's going to play out, essentially you're just looking to see what this next Bitcoin is going to put in a high above, all-time highs, 58,000. Or, are you going to get a high at about 55,000 and then potentially a pullback? So keep an eye on that for Bitcoin. However, upside target, 67 to 70,000, the next swing high. Looking for a big move higher out of Bitcoin. This is the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge right here. Now it's flagging up here under about the $52,000 level. So potentially you could have some more upside. Basically, we would adjust this upper trend line depending. I mean, this trend line is not even valid yet. It's just an idea, right? I mean, you've got this bullish reversal pattern, and then how high will this next high be? Again, higher high, off to the races. Lower high, potentially a move back down to the lower trend line. This is a Bitcoin 1-hour chart, and you see these resistance levels. So Bitcoin broke out of, this was an inverse head and shoulders, broke lower, bounced, and then this is a falling wedge, which you can see, posted this in my trading group, 68% chance of a break to the upside on this falling wedge, and Bitcoin did break out. So we did hit the 0.5 fib bounce level, and then the 618, and now it's come back down here and retested. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I'm not even in your group and I'm up 158% in the past month just watching your videos. Huge. Shout out to Burl. He said, I've been in the group for a year and I'm looking forward to early retirement. Life-changing money. That's what it is. That's why we're here. Early retirement. Quit your day job. I'm over it. I'm never working for anybody else ever again. Shout out to Remick. He was able to pay off all his mom's debt. All his mom's debt. Imagine that. This person is a student. I'm a freshman in college, he stated. This group changed the rest of my life. Thanks a lot. You can see in December the 23rd, he had $4,000 in his portfolio. Today, he's got close to $20,000. Huge, huge gains in the group. The bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial revolution of our lifetime, period. You don't want a year from now to look back at this time and say, man, I should have learned to trade. I should have taken this more seriously. Like, people are making epic amounts of profits right now. I can help you. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable setups for the entire bull market. I'm going to keep you updated daily. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. BLZ. BLZ, you guys remember this? You should. 15,600 people saw this video. Even circled it. Hey, it's breaking out right now. It's moving. BLZ. I got some good setups for you guys today. Check this out at the end of the video. Boom. 33% profits. Broke out. Bull flag. Moved to the upside. That's how we do it. Gains. I got a setup for you on this idea. Iotx has partnered with AWS Cloud, so Amazon Web Services. So Amazon partners with Iotx. Also, this was posted from yesterday. You've got two-way token swaps on Ethereum with Iotx, Binance Smart Chain, and Pancake Swap. They've got a partnership with Unify Protocol. Soon they're going to partner with Huobi EcoChain and Polkadot. The future is multi-chain. Are you in? So just to take a look at Iotx, and just so you guys know, I posted this earlier about an hour ago on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. I'll post these from time to time. So essentially the setup that we're looking at is right here. But you got this rounded bottom because they pay the bills. Rounded bottom, cup and handle. Buy the breakout of this level. Just retested. I'm going to try to get this video out as fast as possible. A bunch of these coins are moving on me today. So anyways, buy a breakout of this level. You got tremendous upside. 50% gains possible out of this Iotx setup. This is Axis. So NFT coins pumping. ENJ, now Axis, right? Plus 32% gains in 6 days out of AXS. Swipe news. I gave this to you guys before mainstream picked it up, before Swipe even announced it, right? If you remember, someone found a Swipe Swap folder created on GitHub, and here we are. Keep calm and guess what's coming. Swipe Swap, right? So Swipe Swap coming, SXP. Got a setup on that. This is the graph. They bring indexing and querying to Binance Smart Chain. So the graph GRT partners with Binance Smart Chain. Got it set up on this for you guys in a second. So this is SXP. You guys remember this? Anyone? 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 I gave this to you guys 2 days ago. 70,700 subscribers. Subscribe to the channel. I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin. Subscribe, comment, like the video. Here it is, SXP. Boom, 23% gains so far. News, Swipe Swap coming. And then I reposted it, buy the breakout of this level, and that's in profits too. Now this thing's kind of taken off. You need some type of retrace on this one, but ENJ. So I posted this in the trading group, buy the breakout of this level, 84% profits, huge gains. We're killing it, guys. I'm telling you, this is it. This is alt season coming. So I talked to you about a similar idea the other day, and this is the total market cap of all the altcoins, right? And you see 2017, you got this rounded bottom, pay the bills, and then you got huge gains to the upside. Altcoins take off, right? So here we are now, rounded bottom, ready and primed. I'm telling you, the amount of money that's about to be made. I mean, I talked to you guys about all our coins are going to 10x. Easily 10x. Let's do 20 and 30x profits. Let's kill it. Life-changing money. Bitcoin dominance needs to work with us. You got a death cross coming. Death cross coming. The last time, let's check this out. The last time we had a death cross. So here's a golden cross. When this heads higher, it's bad for the altcoins. Bitcoin season. When this is trending higher, Bitcoin season. Okay. This is dumping. Altcoins are firing off altcoin season. Now, let's look for the last death cross because we want this to fall. We want this to drop. And so here's your death cross right here. Last death cross. And you can see what happened. We had this epic this is last altcoin season. This is last it was like 3 months long. We completely destroyed the entire market. We took everybody's money. We took their money. You got to take profits. You got to learn to set stop losses. I can show you. I'll make sure you're in the best setups. This is it. Possibly. Death cross coming. Here we go. Algo. All these coins are moving. I've been working on the group all day today. Okay, so here's the deal. Buy the breakout. Algo looks good. You have this ascending triangle, right? And buy the break. I posted it here. It was here. Buy the breakout of this level. It's already moving. So you get a confirmed breakout here, or listen, or you get a pullback retest for entry. Buy the retest, right? Had this aggressive buy idea for a pullback to this trend line. Nope, didn't happen. This is Reef. So this is important. When you guys get these falling wedges and they don't break out and you don't get this huge pump here, all right, what you're looking at, and Dogecoin's doing this right now. Doge BTC is the same way, right? Where you start to get these rounded bottoms, right? This turns into reaccumulation. So the whales start buying in here. Reaccumulation, okay? So if you don't get the pump, then you're looking for reaccumulation and you get this rounded bottom. And then parabolic gains over here. Now let's look at Reef now because it started to take off. And what I want you to look for is a bounce here, right? Because it broke out. Look, you got volume, broke out. Now you want to look for a retest and continuation to the upside, right? This is a BTC pair. So if Bitcoin pumps, it won't fare well, right? It pulls back if Bitcoin pumps. This is REN. And so what I want to talk to you about here is REN's been pumping on 14 to 15-day cycles. Look, 15 days, pump. 14 days, huge pump, all right? We're about 2 or 3 days away from the next possible pump. It might not even happen, but it might. And so I guess the idea here is you could buy the breakout at this level, right? Safe entry. But these, if you look at these buys down here on this lower trend line, okay, and this one even dropped way below the trend line, okay? Dropped way below the trend line. But you can see this price action has been respecting this lower trend line real well. See this bounce, see this bounce. See this bounce and consolidation, huge move. All right, see this bounce. I mean, you could just have a trading strategy that's just trading REN on bounces off this lower trend line. And essentially, that's my idea here. Your best entry is going to be a bounce off this lower trend line. Right now, you got this little falling wedge in here. You have to rechart this. You could buy the breakout of that, and then you're just looking for this pump. Like you get these rising, broadening wedges, and I mean, REN's got huge upside. When it pumps crazy. Look at this. Let's look at the last pump. I mean, how much of a pump did we have last time? 74%. Okay, I mean, think about being in this before it actually pumps. REN, BTC, keep an eye on this. Cody, there's so much news at the end of the month on this guy. Midterm hold idea, like until this news plays out, right? Obviously very, very Bitcoin dependent, but the aggressive buy that I had was to buy the breakout of this falling wedge, and now it's broken out. Look at this volume. Look how big this volume spike is. Market's not playing around here, right? Huge, and potentially you got this little bull flag. You want to buy the breakout of the bull flag. There's a lot more upside for Cody. Okay, this thing, beast mode. GRT has taken off. So I posted this previously. We were looking for this retest. We got this retest in the group. And, you know, this always is your best entry, your retest, right? Because you're buying the move to the downside. But, I mean, you're buying these really they're invisible support lines that if you don't know how to draw them and they exist, then you're going to get wrecked. So you need some type of TA training, you know, if you're having problems like getting into the right setups, taking profits, drawing, you know, these setups, resistance, support lines, Fibonacci retracement levels, I can teach you all this stuff, all of it. It's breaking out right now and it looks like it's retesting. So you're looking for a confirmed retest here and then continuation to the upside. If you can imagine, this pattern is all over these USDT charts, right? And so very common to see you know, you get these double bottoms down here and then upside continuation. Some of these coins haven't taken off yet and they potentially will. So this is COS. This is another one. Okay, same type pattern, looks similar, right? Double bottom. This is actually inverse head and shoulders. Here's small one. Okay, but now I'm looking for this retest right here. So I'm gonna get this video uploaded. Once if this thing bounces here, I mean, that's your entry, right? COS USDT. Bitcoin has to cooperate. Everything's always contingent on Bitcoin. Puppet master. Bitcoin, will you let us make some altcoin profits already? We're ready. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.